Hey, stop. Look at this, 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 and this.
Okie dokie, we're still at the Painting and Decorating Show 2026 at the NEC. We're at the Installer Show as well. And I'm having a walk around because sometimes I get a bit sick of seeing paint. I know all paint inside out, but just having a walk around, I spotted something that was quite interesting to me because it's one of those mixers that can actually mix your paint and also your roll-on plaster or spray plaster. And I've managed to collar Tom, who's developed this, and I think he might be more suited to actually explain what this product is and where the price point is. So I'll swivel the camera around and put you in the capable hands of Tom.
I'll do my very best.
Afternoon, Tom. Or good morning.
Hello, Phil. It is afternoon now, isn't it?
Yeah, just.
It's nearly lunch. You collared me right before I was going to go for lunch. That's Anyway, right. So
tell us what we've got and what you do.
So this is the latest development from Roberts, which is a professional flooring tools brand. However, us at QEP, developers of tiling tools, flooring tools, we do all sorts in the home improvement sector. And this power mixer is a creation I've been working on with our team for probably the last 12 to 18 months. We're really proud of it. It's about to launch in the UK and we're premiering it here at the Installer Show and the Paint and Decorating Show. So really interesting things to note, especially if you're working with plaster, paint, roll-on plaster, spray-on plaster, is that you've got complete control with this machine. You've got two gears here, first and second gear. First gear goes from 0 to 450 RPM, second gear goes from 0 to 720 RPM. That gives you really good, delicate control of your mixture, and it can handle torque better. So if you're working with thicker materials, you keep it in first gear, really good handling of the torque. Now, another really cool feature for control is this 6-speed dial on your left-hand side here. So you can run the machine nice and slow to start, and you can increase it, and you've got complete control of the machine throughout. Obviously it's got a brushless motor. We don't want any of that unnecessary noise. We don't want you having to replace the carbon brushes after a while. And I think, as you spotted, Phil, the best bit about this is the price point. I mean, 18 volt, 4 amp battery, two of them come with the machine and a charger, a fast charger with the paddle included. And today and tomorrow, we've got a special £188 promotional price for it. Now, usually it will retail a lot higher, but it's the first time this has been seen in the UK market. From us, really exciting products. Get your hands on one.
What I've noticed is you're swinging that round like it doesn't weigh anything.
I'm glad you mentioned that because I forgot that off my little spiel there. So the machine is 3.5 kilograms bare. With the batteries, it probably comes up to about 5.5 kilograms. As you can see, you know, I'm not exactly the biggest guy in the world, but it's very lightweight, very maneuverable, and it's just comfortable to hold as well. Yeah. So for long periods with these ergonomic handles, really comfortable to use.
The next question I'll ask, are these batteries interchangeable with any brand, or is this a specialist battery for your product? How readily available are they if you wanted to buy more?
Of course. So this is our new QEP Connect battery system. So as I referenced earlier, QEP have a variety of brands under the QEP umbrella, tiling brands, flooring brands, and this battery system connects all of them together. They're very readily available to buy. They're very affordable as well, coming in between 35 and 40 pounds, depending on which retailer you go to. But the important thing is that they're 18 volt, they're 4 amp, and they really do live up to those electrical specifications. So they're a really good quality battery, and there's going to be a lot more tools to come from our company for you guys.
That's right. You've also got different whisks for different applications. Do you want to just
Absolutely,
talk us through
yeah.
that?
So,
is one better suited for paint compared to a roll-on plaster filler?
So this is your standard plasterer's paddle, I would say.
Yeah.
This is your spiral. You can see it's been used plenty by the guys at Mapei over there. But we've also got a birdcage style paddle. Now this is really good for creating high shear force, and these the ridges here really beat the material, so creates a high shear force. It's really powerful, and it may do the job a little bit faster depending on the compound you're working with. This one, more specific for leveling compounds, so a really unique design with 2 turbines that create a downward vortex, adds less heat into the mixture, adds less air into the mixture, which is really important for leveling compounds. But these, if you're a plasterer, they're the two you're going to want to be working with.
Yeah.
And that one comes with a machine.
That's excellent. If you're on the stand, do you want to tell us anything else you've got just on here?
Absolutely, let's plug everything, shall we?
Just quick plug of everything else.
So if you're a plasterer that's working on their knees at all, which I imagine
Or a decorator.
some maybe, or a decorator.
Come on, Tom, get with it.
Come on, anybody that's in decorating, really. If you're working on your knees, Fento are the go-to brand for professional knee protection. So it's a Dutch company. It was founded around 10 to 15 years ago, and it's based on this one ergonomic property that's very unique to Fento. And it's a property of pressure redistribution. So you'll be able to see here, get a zoom in on that, there's a wedge. See the incline?
Yeah.
So your knee sits in the pocket here, and the wedge redistributes pressure from your knee down your shin, allowing you to work more comfortably at any one period and extend your career. This is a game changer. Anybody who uses it, tries it on, they buy it. It really is that straightforward. It's a high price point because it's a really premium quality product, but compare that to having a knee replacement or a back surgery.
And having time off work.
Time off work, I mean, this will cost you, I think we've got a great deal on today, it's £70 for it, or maybe less than £70, but what's that compared to 6 weeks off work?
Unfortunately, there's lots of painters out there that are only charging £120 a day, so they will shy away from that, but the decorators that are very much keeping an eye on their knees and charging a proper wage will buy that, because long-term wise, what value do you put on your own health and physical well-being? And you know what? Quality remembered long after price has been forgot.
Exactly, and you've got to protect yourself. That's the most important thing. Protect yourself, but also the financial side. Time off work, even if it's £120 a day, 6 weeks off work. Get your partner to buy it you for Christmas. There you go.
Father's Day present.
Father's Day present. We just missed it, but next Father's Day, get that.
That's brilliant. Thank you very much for talking to us.
Lovely
Interesting
to meet you,
products. And thank you once again.
No worries.